Hey everybody, we're going to do another KW1 Lishi picking video. Got a Defiant cylinder, which is a Home Depot store brand. And go ahead and subscribe too, because I'm going to be doing some Schleg videos here soon. It's right now middle of March, and they're supposed to ship any day now, the SC1 and SC4. So I think will be more interesting than the quick-set ones. I'm going to try a Defiant one, though. It's a Home Depot store brand, and they put spool pins in these usually, at least one, and they can sometimes be a little bit tricky to pick. Usually more so than like a actual quick-set branded one. So let's see if we can give this a try here, see if we can pick it and maybe gut it here. So we got, okay, one's binding, so a small click on one. And then my picking lever doesn't want to move, so let me try maybe starting at 5 here. Tension on it. Nothing on 5. Nothing on 4. Okay, 3 is binding a little bit. A little click on 3. Okay, now I think it doesn't want to move again. I've noticed this on a mortise cylinder too, that the lever doesn't move real easy and it can go in one direction. So let me try picking it the other direction here. Okay, click on 1. Click on 2. Click on 3. And we're open. So that easy going that direction, just didn't want to pick the other way. So let me spin it here. So we wanted to decode it, which I'm not going to bother wasting a key blank on this thing, but we can decode it real quick anyway. Alright, so I hope everybody can see here. And just start on pin 5, which is a number 3. 4 is a 6, 3 is a 3, 2 is a 3, and pulling the tool out here, and then 1 is a 1. So that's how you decode it, simple as that. And then let's go ahead and gut this thing too. So remove the Lishi, zoom out here. Alright, careful not to lock it back because I don't have a key for it. I should have took the clip off before I started. Okay, there we go. Alright, clips off. There we go. Alright, for key pins here, these will all just be regular old standard key pins. So there's those, and then upstairs here, we didn't really get a false set, so I don't know if we're going to find a spool in this or not, but we'll see here. So 1 just have a standard pin, 2 standard pin. Yeah, I don't know how old this thing is. Oh, there's a spool. So 3 is a spool. Probably didn't get a false set though because it was over a number, like a pretty long pin there, and it was like a 4 or 5 pin. 3, I can't remember now after decoding it, but so there was a spool in there. And then our last but not least is a standard, so just have the 1 spool. That's typically how Defiants are pinned, it's just with 1 spool in them. So we can get a little zoom in on that. And so That's a Defiant cylinder there with the picked, decoded, and gutted here with the KW1 Lishi, and that'll do it for now. We'll talk to everybody later.